Imagine looking down at the ocean and seeing what appears to be a massive waterfall falling deep beneath the sea. It looks completely impossible, almost as if the ocean itself is flowing over the edge of a giant underwater cliff. But here's the strange part: there is no actual waterfall here. This incredible sight can be seen off the southwest coast of Mauritius, near the famous Morne Brabant. From the ground, everything looks like a normal tropical ocean, but from above, the water appears to be disappearing into a massive underwater drop. So what is actually happening beneath the surface? The answer is surprisingly simple, but the visual effect is extraordinary. The ocean currents around Mauritius carry huge amounts of sand and silt across the seafloor. As this sediment moves from the shallow coastal waters toward deeper areas, it creates patterns that look remarkably similar to a giant waterfall. The lighter turquoise water shows the shallow areas, while the darker blue sections indicate deeper water. When the moving sand and silt pass across these underwater slopes, they create the illusion of water cascading downward. Your eyes see a waterfall, but there is no river, no giant underwater cliff, and no ocean literally falling into a hole. It's an optical illusion created by sediment, ocean currents, depth, sunlight, and perspective. And that's what makes this place so fascinating. From the surface, you would never know that anything unusual is happening beneath you. But from high above, the underwater landscape reveals a completely different picture. The contrast between the turquoise water, darker depths, and constantly moving sediment makes the scene look almost unreal. In fact, the illusion is so convincing that many people seeing it for the first time believe they're looking at a real underwater waterfall. But nature doesn't always need to create something impossible to make us believe we're seeing it. Sometimes, the perfect combination of simple, natural processes can create something that looks completely impossible. The underwater waterfall of Mauritius isn't really a waterfall at all. It's the ocean moving sand and silt across the seafloor, combined with the unique underwater geography of the region. What looks like one of the strangest waterfalls on Earth is actually a spectacular illusion created by nature itself. So the next time you see an image of an underwater waterfall, don't just ask how the water is falling. Ask yourself what is really happening beneath the surface. This is Beyond Borders Docs, and if you want to discover more places on Earth that look completely impossible, there's much more waiting beyond the borders.